In this video, I'm going to show you what I do to make my clients' online businesses recession-proof in 2023. Hi, my name is Andres Zemmers and you're watching What Works in Marketing YouTube channel. This is the place where you get proven tactics, strategies, and new and exciting findings to finally grow your online business and live the life you want. I know that the economy is a bit rocky right now and a lot of online businesses are feeling the squeeze. So whenever the economy shakes, there are 5 crucial steps that I like to do to protect my business and most importantly, my clients' businesses. So let's take a look. Number 1, cut the costs. So I like to take a look at all the subscriptions that we have and really ask, do we need that Zapier account? Do we need that Leadpages account? And do we need that ClickFunnels account? I usually check my bank account for the last 1 or 2 months and just ask what's crucial and just cross out all the unnecessary stuff. And this way we can actually save a couple of $100 per month. Next, I always analyze the marketing campaigns and performance. For example, I have one client and we are heavily relying on e-blasts and partner newsletters. And 1 or 2 times per year, whenever we do the campaigns, I take a look at all the 20 or 30 campaigns that we have, all the 20, 30 channels we have, and just look at data. And whenever we are planning the next campaign, we are not using the channels that were unperforming the last time. So in this case, we are always only working with the 10 or 20 ones that are performing for us. Next one, and that's potentially not the most pleasant one, is to check your team's performance, and it might be the case to let somebody go or maybe switch some positions to freelance or virtual assistants. Number 2, move to backend. I think this is the most important one, at least for me, and whenever I'm coaching clients, this is the place where we start. Let's say if potentially less people are gonna buy our course, what we can do to still increase the revenue. Yes, you launch more products on the back end. These might be different upsells, downsells, masterminds, coaching programs, maybe even new products, new courses, anything that increases that lifetime value. So for example, I have a client in life coaching niche, and for the last 10 to 12 months, we really see the business kind of slightly declining. And we are kind of doing 2 things to make it work right. Number 1, we are kind of thinking about launching a mastermind program for our business audience. And number 2, in general, we are thinking how we can serve more affluent people, because affluent people seems to not be as sensitive to recession. And if you don't have any new products coming or you don't want to make any new products, that's okay. For example, I have one e-commerce client that I've been working with for many years, and we just have one product line. And for the last year, we are actively finding new affiliate partnerships and increase the revenue. Number 3, give more value. What I found working and kind of easy to do is whenever times are rough, I make sure to give even more value. What do I mean by that? You can create a community if you don't have one. You can create more blog posts. You can publish more videos. You can double down on the research to find out the pain points of your clients and push even better videos. Anything to give more value for free. Also, I think this will help your audience to fall in love with you even more. And what we have all seen, the more value you give, the more you get. So for example, this year for one of my clients, we've pushed out the survey to find out the different pain points to kind of know what problems to solve, what problems they feel, to serve them better. Also, instead of just posting the blog posts, we kind of bundle them together in different months. And for every month, we have kind of a team that came out from that survey that we pushed out. And we received several good words from our clients, and I think that's working very well. Number 4, and that's a bit tricky one, optimize your funnel. I'll be honest, I hate data. I'm not a data person. That's why I have a partner who loves data, who is very process driven, and who usually helps. What we do, we measure funnel data at all 5 stages: awareness, lead generation, conversion, price and offer, and retention. And we try to improve each and every step by a little bit and let the compounding effect work for us. What do I mean by that? Let's say we increase each and every step by 20%. The total improvement, the whole funnel will be 2.4x. So if the economy works against us and people are less likely to buy, we make sure our funnels work better. Number 5, focus. As Tony Robbins says, 20% is strategy and 80% is mindset and psychology. So whenever the shit hits the fan, I like to do certain things to gain the clarity and focus for myself and my team. First, I try to live my perfect routine. I wake up at the same time, I go to the gym, I don't drink. Next, I journal and check in with myself. While journaling, I write about problems, thoughts, maybe brainstorms, any goals, anything that kind of keeps my engine going. And to be honest, some of the greatest ideas came out of the journaling. Next, I'm very strict with my business schedule and calendar. Yes, I'm a creative person. I don't like to wake up at the same time every morning. I don't like to stick to the schedule sometimes, but when times are rough, I make sure I work like a clock. And most importantly, I set weekly priorities so I reach my monthly and quarterly goals. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it and find it useful. If you have anything that you would add to this list, feel free to share it on the comment section below. Also, if you like to optimize your marketing funnels and scale your business even when the times are rough, here's the deep dive video that I made only about funnel optimization. See ya!